I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and having your Bajaj EMI Network Card or digital code ready. This saves time at checkout. Once done, verify KYC documents like PAN and address proof because the system cross-checks them in real time. Make sure your phone has stable internet and a payment method linked. UPI or a debit card often works. Then open the merchant's payment page, choose EMI option, and select Bajaj EMI Card to initiate the enrollment step immediately. You now pick the EMI tenor and understand why that matters. Longer tenors lower monthly outflow but may increase interest. Next, enter the EMI Network Card number or use the Bajaj app to fetch an OTP. Confirm the OTP sent to your registered mobile to validate the transaction. After OTP, review the repayment schedule and any processing fee. This is crucial so you know the total payable. Once satisfied, accept the terms and submit. The merchant will then finalize the order and generate your EMI contract. You finish by authorizing the payment and downloading the EMI contract or saving the transaction ID. This proves your EMI enrollment. Then set up auto debit or calendar reminders and double-check the first EMI date and amount so you avoid penalties. If the payment fails, first retry the OTP and confirm your EMI card is activated in the Bajaj app. Make sure your bank allows e-mandates. If issues persist, contact Bajaj customer support with the transaction ID for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.